Hello everyone and welcome to the second video in this section, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can install Tor on Windows. And the reason I'm doing this is because I don't want to sound controversial. As I said in the previous video, Windows is not a secure operating system and it has a lot of flaws that will be targeted when on the deep web. I am making this video for anyone who wants to install Tor on Windows for whatever reason they deem fit. I have your best interest at heart and I want you to be safe and secure when browsing the deep web. So I humbly advise you again to just refrain from using Windows on the deep web, just for the safety of your privacy, your anonymity, and of course the files that are going to be on your computer. But without further ado, let's get started. It's really very simple to install the Tor browser on Windows. All you have to do is just download the Tor project. All you have to do is install the Tor project, as I'm going to be showing you right now. So you basically have to just open a browser and just search for Tor browser. That's that. And you're going to click on the first link, Tor browser, and it's going to take you to the website. Very nice website. And all you have to do is hit download. Now, as you can see, they offer different languages. That's very, very nice. They offer French, and you can basically download the Tor browser for different operating systems. We have Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, which we will be looking at in the next videos. So we're just going to be downloading the Windows version for now, which works with both 32-bit and 64-bit architectures. So just click this right here and it should prompt you to save the file. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to go directly to that. So I have the file right here. This is the file that will be downloaded. A very, very nice icon of an onion that represents basically Tor, the onion browser. So just double click it just as you would any Windows program, and it's going to take you through the installation wizard, which is pretty much the default as you'll get with any other Windows program. Just hit OK, install, and kaboom, it's going to extract the folder to wherever this program you downloaded the program to. So let it just extract it. It's going to extract it to a folder called the Tor browser, which is right here on my desktop. And I'm just gonna hit run the Tor browser and just give it a few seconds to start up. Should start up immediately. There we are. So it's going to give you this small little window right here, basically giving you some information. So before you connect to the Tor network, you need to provide information about this computer's internet connection. So which of the following best describes your situation? I would like to make a direct connection to the Tor network. This will work in most situations. Then this computer's internet connection is censored or proxied. So basically this is what you would basically be using, I'm guessing, on a default basis. If you're using this on maybe your office's or your school's computer and the internet connection is proxied through a series of proxies, you can use this one, but we're going to be using the direct connection to the Tor network, and as it says, this will work in most situations. So just hit connect and it basically should just start connecting to the Tor network. So it'll take a few seconds, hopefully. Shouldn't take longer than a minute. Again, this may be dependent on your internet connection, but it shouldn't take that much time at all. So just give it a few seconds, hopefully not longer than a minute, and we should be ready to go. Alright, so as you can see, it's opened the Tor browser window right here, and it's basically saying that we can adjust our security level. I'll be getting into this in future videos. We don't need that right now. What we need to do right now is actually confirm that it has connected to the Tor network and this browser is correctly configured. So the way we're going to do that is by just testing it using the check.torproject.org. I believe this is the website that will actually check whether you have connected to the Tor. And as you can see, congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor and your IP address appears to be 185.38.14.215. So that's basically it. You are successfully connected to the Tor network. you are successfully connected to the Tor network, and you should be able to get started immediately. So that's it for this video, guys. That's basically how to install Tor on a Windows computer. It'll work on any version of Windows. This is Windows 10, by the way, as you could probably already tell. That's basically it for this video. In the next video, we're actually going to be looking at how to basically configure Tor on some very, very good Linux distros that have been designed for browsing the deep web and anonymity. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video or found value in this video. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the Q&A section of the course. Goodbye.